What's up guys, thank you for watching another video. Starting off the night with a couple of those races. It was an R35, R32, Gustavo Supra, a couple BMWs. It was pretty sick. But we're on the way to a little car meet that's going on right now. It looks like there's a ton of people here already. Haven't been to a little night car meet in a while. We got Jordan over there in the Mustang. Got an E92 in front of me. Is that an M3? I think it's a 335 honestly with the M3 bumper. Is it? I can't tell. Yeah, I think it's a 335. Almost got me. Oh my god, I want an R32 so bad. And his is super clean. We'll see if I can get him to open his hood so you guys can see how clean it is. This is the E92. That was the M3. What's up, bro? That shit sounds crazy. Oh my god, dude. That sound never gets old, bro. It's so loud, dude. Anyways, guys, we made it to a little car meet. Damn, that Z is clean, dude. I want a Z so bad. That was really clean. I'm gonna buy a Z, guys. I think that's the next project car. Evo. Clean ass Evo. That looks nice. There's so many cars here, bro. We got the homie AG's Trackhawk on bags. This shit is crazy, dude. That's the family car right there. Got people with the whole family in there. Guys, look at this thing. Oh my god, bro. Look at this shit. My E46? That shit's crazy, dude. Holy crap. I wonder how loud it is. It's probably hella loud. Damn, this shit is crazy, guys. How much power you guys think it makes? Turbo out the hood. How does he not get pulled over, bro? I want to know. Look at his windows too, all tinted. Damn, dude, this shit is wild. That is one of the craziest cars I've seen, I think. Guys, look at this thing. This is that crazy ass truck. Oh my god, bro, that shit is crazy. That's so sick. Look at Austin in the Valtronic M3. There's no parking! You just left your car there?
There's parking. No, I'm parked.
Damn, bro, there are so many supercars out here. I forgot my Aventador at home, bro. I should have brought it.
Oh, shit, bro. I forgot my fucking Agera XS. Shit, bro, I forgot.
Look at these Huracans, dude. The red one's nice.
Oh, bro, fuck the red Huracan, bro. That GT3 RS 3.8997.2.
Look at this thing, guys. Oh my god, bro. That shit is literally perfect. Imagine, dude. It's stock too. Like, you don't have to do nothing to that car. And the yours. Imagine having both those cars. E92, the little roll cage. There's like blocks and blocks full of cars. It's so packed. Damn, this shit's clean. All over Gustavo, bro. We got Joseph Najas over here underneath the truck. Oh my god. Guys, look at this thing. SVJ, bro. This is like a $600,000 car just chilling right here. I'd be so scared. Dude, these Lambos are so sick. I don't know which one I like better, guys. I think if that one was red, that would be my favorite right there. R32 and a Supra. Oh my god, that shit's so nice. Some Ducatis. I also want one of those so bad. It's just Ferrari after Ferrari after Lambo after Lambo. McLaren. Making a movie again?
Oh yeah, big movie.
Guys, imagine we start vlogging with this. That'd be crazy. Oh my god, I'm about to get hit by a Mustang. Oh hell. I'm so scared. Oh my god, bro, why are they so obnoxious? Too many Mustangs, dude. I was a little scared. I thought one was gonna crash into us. Look at this, the Fast and Furious RX-7. Alright guys, I don't know where we are, but we just found this random ass garage full of supercars. Millions of dollars inside of here. Oh my god, a Bugatti. Look at the interior on that thing. All blue. Rolls Royce, SVJ. Damn guys, look at this thing. That's insane, bro. Look at the spoiler. I think it is a Senna, but the rear end looks way different than any other Senna. E36. This thing's so sick. Sheesh. Bro, look at the wheels on this thing. Those are some crazy ass wheels. Oh my god, bro, it's so clean. Wow, bro. And the Supra. Alright guys, we made it onto the freeway now. See if we can find anything for the race. I heard that Corvette's quick. Every time we go to these events, it's hard to find like a group of people. Everyone kind of gets lost and it kind of sucks. And we did end up getting lost again. I feel like every single PML Quickstrike, we get lost. Guys, look where we are. Comment down below, do you guys recognize this area a little bit? This intersection in particular? This is actually the spot, that viral video that went viral. I still get posted and tagged in it to this day. Where me and Joseph came out of this corner and he drifted this corner, ended up doing a whole freaking donut around my car, and then we took off up this block. I'll play the video right here if you guys haven't seen it. But yeah, that video went viral and I still get tagged in it every single day. I was at this intersection right here. This is exactly where it was. How'd you beat me here?
Oh my gosh, what's up, G?
How'd you beat me here?
Huh?
How'd you beat me here? Remember last time we came?
Huh?
Remember last time we got here?
I parked right there.
Joseph?
Oh yeah.
That's what I was recording it now. You brought your Rolls Royce?
Yeah, bro. My SV's inside.
Look, talking about Joseph. That's literally Joseph's car. That's crazy. Sick ass little GTR. Damn, that thing's nice. Matches your shoes.
I know, right?
Another GTR. All the GTRs are out. Those things are so sick. I think it's the same one that Adam Alzi has. I like it, bro. This is hard. A little wagon. Damn, look at all these supercars, bro. So many. Pagani, Koenigsegg, and a Senna. Oh my god, bro. Dude, it's all carbon fiber. The entire car is carbon fiber. Even the headlights, the mirrors. Oh my god, bro. This car is insane. Paganis are literally ridiculous, guys. Imagine owning one of these, bro. And then the Koenigsegg over there. Every single piece of this car is carbon fiber. And this one too, all carbon fiber. Oh my god, bro. Even the wheels are carbon fiber. So sick. That Senna is hard, the black one. This shit is so sick. Rolls Royce wide body, some big ass wheels. Forgiatos, dude, that shit's crazy. How much money do you think is in this parking lot right now? There's Aventadors, Paganis, Koenigseggs, 2 Sennas. Oh my god, bro, that's insane. Them ballers? That shit looks nice, all black. That shit is hard, bro. So many people trying to look at it. Look, I caught the homie. Somebody's rocking the merch over there, bro. Oh my god, guys. Look at all these people pulling up. Pagani, Bugatti Chiron, another Pagani. Oh my god, bro. This shit is crazy, dude. Damn, guys, this thing is crazy. Imagine just all pulling up like that, the squad.
That's the squad right there.
I wish, dude. That Supra's crazy on the tire. It's a fat ass tire.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga. Nigga, that's real shit. Well, y'all catching feelings, I'm catching.